Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the fifth question in the first main. So we have to solve this by substitution method. I will take this as the first equation and this as the second equation. Now I will convert the equation 1 in terms of y equal to form or x equal to form. So from equation number 1, I will keep root 3y to the left side. Then I will send it to the right side, minus root 2x. Then I want y is equal to minus root 2 divided by root 3x. Okay. Now I have to substitute this value in second equation. Equation 2 implies, second equation implies root 3x minus root 8 into y is n. So y is nothing but this value, that is minus root 2 divided by root 3x, right, is equal to 0. Now here this is one term and this is another term. Here is also x term is there, here also x. Now we'll take x common because I want to find the value of x. So in these two terms I will take x common. Inside what will be there? Root 3 minus into minus, it is plus, right? Root 2 into root 8, that is root 16. That is how much? Root 16 divided by root 3 is equal to 0. Now root 16 is nothing but what it is? 4. So x into root 3 plus 4 divided by root 3 is equal to 0. Now here I am going to find the value of x. For that I will send this term to the right side. 0 divided by any number is 0. So I am getting the value of x as 0. Okay, here I got the value of x as 0. Now I have to find the value of y by substituting this value in equation 1 or equation number 2. So substitute x value or put value x value. Put x value in equation number 1. Now see here, root 2 into x is nothing but 0 plus root 3y is equal to 0. Now root 2 into 0, 0 it is. So root 3y is there. Then root 3y is equal to 0. Then I will send the root 3 to the right side. So I will get it as y is equal to 0. Okay. So here I got x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then last question in this main. So these are the two given equations. First I want to make these equations in standard form. Otherwise you can take directly, no problem at all. So here the LCM will be 6. This 3 multiplies here. 3 3s are 9x minus 5 2s are 10y is equal to minus 2. Now by cross multiplication, 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 6 2s are. So I will call this as equation number 1. Then I will go for another equation. Here also LCM is 6. This will become 2x plus 3y is equal to how much? 13 divided by 6. 13 divided by 6. Now here 6 will get cancelled. Remaining is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. I will call this as equation number 2. Now I have to convert equation number 1 in the form of x equal to form or y equal to form. Now I will keep 9x as it is. Then I will send it to the right side. It will become plus 10y minus 12. Then x equal to how much? 10y minus 12 divided by 9. Okay. Now I have to substitute this x value in equation number 2. Okay. In equation number 2 I have to substitute. Equation number 2 implies 2 into x is there. X is nothing but this value. That is 10y minus 12 divided by 9 plus 3y is equal to how much? 13. Okay. Here you have to simplify this. We have to find the value of y. Now Let us multiply this. At the same time, we can take LCM. So here LCM is 9. So LCM will be 9. This will become 10 2s are 20y minus 12 2s are 24 plus 9 3s are 27y. Okay, is equal to 13. Right? Now 20 plus 27, that is 47y. 47y minus 24 is equal to 9 3s are 27, carries 2, 9 1s are 9 plus 2, that is 11, 117 it is. Okay. Now 47y is equal to 117 plus 24, that is 11, 2, am I right? 11 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, it is 4. Then it is 1. How much it is? 141. Now y is equal to how much? 141 divided by 47. Now 47 3s are how much it is? 7 3s are 21. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 141 it is. Therefore I got the value of y as 3. 141 divided by 47. 47 3s are it is 141. So therefore y equal to 3 I got. Then I have to find the value of x by substituting y value in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Put y value in equation number 1. Now here 9x minus 10 into y. 10 3s are, that is 30. Directly I will write 10 3s are 30 is equal to minus 12. Now I will send it to the right side. 9x is equal to, this will become plus 30. Plus 30 minus 12, that is how much? 18. Then I want x value. So x is equal to 18 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18. So therefore x is equal to what? 2. Okay. So here I got the value of x as 2 and y as 3. Now the second main, you see the question. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m, for which y equal to mx plus 3. Y equal to mx plus 3. So they ask you to solve these two by substitution method or graphical method. Better you can go for a substitution method. If they particularly mentioned a graphical method, that is lengthy procedure it is. You can go through a graphical method only. So that is for 4 marks. So this is just for 2 marks only. Okay. So you can solve these two equations by substitution method. We can find the value of x and y. Then after finding x and y, we have to substitute x and y value in this equation. So by substituting x and y, you will get the unknown value as m. Okay, you will get the value of m. Now I will call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now I will convert equation number 1 from equation number 1. 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Okay. Now x is equal to how much? 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Now I have to substitute in equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies 2x is a 2, x comes, x is nothing but this value, that is 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Then minus 4y is there, minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Right? Now here 2 will get cancelled. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now minus 3y minus 4y, that is minus 7y. I'll take 11 to the right side, it will become minus 11. Minus 24 minus 11, that is minus 35. Now minus minus will get cancelled. 7 5s are 35. So y is equal to how much? 5. 35 divided by 7 it is. So I got the value of y. Now I have to find the value of x by substituting a y value in equation number 1 or 2. Put y value in equation number 1. So that is 2x plus 3y. 3 into 5. 5 3s it is 15 is equal to 11. 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. That is how much? Minus 4. Now x is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 2. So I got the value of x as minus 2 and the value of y as 5. I cannot stop here only. They ask you to find the value of m. So now let us take the given equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3. Now x is minus 2, y is 5. Y is 5. M into x value is minus 2 plus 3. Now I'll take this 3 to the left side. 5 minus 3, that is 2. This will be minus 2m. Now I want m. So m is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this is how we can solve to find the value of m. Now we shall discuss the third main. See the question. From the pair of linear equations form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. So they given the statements. From that statements we have to form the pair of linear equations first. Then after we have to solve them by substitution method. Okay. In that one, first one you can see the statement. What the statement they given. The difference between two numbers is 26. There are two numbers. Difference of them is 26. And one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. We have to find it. There are two numbers. Difference of them is 26. Am I right? So difference of the two numbers is 26. Yes, it's 26. One number is 3 times the other. We have to find those numbers. Let us take the numbers are. Let the numbers are x and y. Okay. These are the two numbers. Now difference of the two numbers x minus y is equal to, I'll take it as 26. Here x is greater than y. I have taken x as greater than y. Means x is the larger number, y is the smaller number. Otherwise, so you can say here as x is larger. Instead of that you can write x is larger than y. Okay, x is larger than y. Now difference of the two numbers is 26. I have taken it as equation number 1. And now one number is 3 times the other. Now I will write x is equal to 3y. But I have not written y is equal to 3x. Why it is? I don't want to take y equal to 3x because I have taken x is the larger number. 3 times of the smaller number will get the larger number. So this is not possible. This is possible because x is the larger number. So I will take this as equation number 2. Okay. Now I have to solve these two equations. Equation number 1 and 2. You have to find the value of x and y by substitution method. Okay. So they asked you to form the pair of linear equations. We formed it. Then they ask you to find x and y by substitution method. Now from equation number 1, same procedure again. From equation number 1, x is equal to 26 plus y. Now put y value, otherwise equation 2 implies, alright. Equation number 2 implies x is equal to, so in place of x I can write as 26 plus y. So here x is there. So in place of x I can write as 26 plus y is equal to 3y. Now I'll take this plus y to the right side. 26 is equal to 3y minus y. That is how much? 2y. But I want the value of y. That is 26 divided by 2. That is 13. Okay. So y value we got it as 13. Now one more we have to find the value of x. Put y value in equation number 1 or 2. Now in equation number 1, x minus y. Y is nothing but how much? 13 is equal to 26. Now x is equal to how much? 26 plus 13. Okay. Now x is equal to 26 plus 13. That is how much? 39. Okay. So therefore the two numbers are 13 and 13 and 39. Therefore two numbers are 39 and 13.